Ways to make your wedding ceremony unforgettable? I've got 5 of them. Number 1. Welcome your guests with a welcome drink. Nothing will start your ceremony off better than a glass of champagne for everybody. Number 2. Incorporate your dogs into your ceremony and have them be a part of the processional. Number 3. Speaking of your processional, why not do something a little bit different besides music? And as a bride is coming down the aisle, have someone sing. It's just another way to personalize the day. Number 4, and this might be the most important one, write your own vows, guys. Nothing beats people who write their own vows and hearing how they feel about one another, straight from the heart. Number 5, get an officiant that's going to interview you ahead of time. Make sure they've got a couple of fun stories that they can share with everybody throughout the ceremony, just to kind of spice things up and make them a little bit more fun. If you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more content just like this.